Oh god, it's biting your
Trying to
face.
destroy your face.
Hold it up to your face, David.
No.
Well, he'll just kiss you. He won't hurt your face.
Or stab me in the eye.
He hasn't yet, anyway.
I totally wanted